So welcome guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to unbox some items which I've ordered from ShopClues. Let's open this. I'm truly very excited to unbox some things which I've ordered from the ShopClues. I would like you to please have a look of it. There are some items which I have ordered from the ShopClues. So be with us and hope enjoy our video. Please enjoy our video. We're going to start. So here's our first box. So basically from ShopClues we can able to order on a discount some this item from the Q10 website. It's a ShopClues partners website, Q10. You will be able to download this app from the Play Store. You need to type Q10, right? And it's a partner app of ShopClues. It's the second app of ShopClues, Q10. So basically from this website we can able to order some home needed grocery items as well. So of that related we are going to unbox this. So here we are having some things. So it's basically a bathroom related items I've ordered. So from here I've just done this. So we have ordered Dove Dryness Care Conditioners, a pack of 2 at rupees 104. So my dear friends, this is our shampoo and these are our conditioners. So we are getting 2 pack of shampoo and 2 pack of conditioner. This for hair fall rescue, and per bottle it's of 80 ml. So here's our conditioner, here's our shampoo, and this is our conditioner of Dove. So you may order many variants, and in the complimentary in those items, in 2 items we get as a complimentary 3 soaps of Pears, and I've ordered in the complimentary with this one oximeter. So we get these items and plus one oximeter, price of rupees for 20 rupees. So I'm going to unbox one oximeter as well. So this total cost is 208 rupees. In just 208 rupees we are getting these items. So 170 rupees I've used my Q points, and I want you to explain that I get a cost of 400 rupees items. It's just rupees 50. I'm going to explain you how. This item is total cost of 130 rupees. We get the 2 bottles in 130 rupees, and this for 150 rupees. Was 50 rupees each, but here in discount in 50 rupees we get the conditioner in 50 rupees, and we get 3 soaps of set at 50 rupees. Packet of the oximeter. Hopefully we may get a good oximeter. As we all know that the corona is going on, so we should always know that how our oxygen level is, so that whenever we feel that our oxygen level is going down, so we can take some preventations. Really very needing thing at this time. So it's a Homepera plastic branded digital pulse oximeter at rupees of 270 rupees. Unpack this. So this is basically our oximeter at a price of pulse oximeter. At a price of 270 we get this. So I'm going to unbox this and we'll take a test at how it works. Right now I'm going to show in front of you. So my dear friends, I've just put cells in this, and we have to just put 2 pens. I've just put a cell in it, and I've just started, and now I'm going to put my finger in this and we'll check that how's our oxygen level is. कितना है? So my dear friends, as I can see, my oxygen level is 86. It is showing that my oxygen level is 86. So my dear friends, just to make you check, I have oximeter for you, my dear friends, and I want you to say that I've ordered this from the shop clues. I want you to make you believe that it is really working, and it works. It was not included. You need to put your cells, the mini size pencil cells of AAA battery. You can enter this. You can put 2 cells. So as I can see, my oxygen level is 99 and 100. My heart rate pulse. So let's thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Okay, my dear friends, now as we just unboxed right now that our oximeter and some shampoo and soaps, now we are going to unbox this which I ordered from the shop clues. And, it's a price of, as per the shop clues, it's of 99, but as I just get a discount of 30 rupees and plus minus of 1 rupees shop clues box, so it's cost me 68 rupees. Let's open this and let's check the quality. How is it? And the product is stainless steel idli stand, idli making plates, a pot of 3 plates. So here's the inbox, my dear friends. That our inbox, and this is how the packet is, my dear friends, and we are going to unbox this. So the pack quality is quite nice, and let's see that inside quality it's also, you may get good or not. So here's it. We get in bubble packing. So actually, basically, my dear friends, I've ordered this from the Flipkart as well, but there I got that you will see in my previous video of that combined video of cooker and idli stand. There I have ordered at the price of 270, but here I get this as a price of just rupees 68. I get this. So our idli stand it is. Okay. Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to unbox one Titan watch which I've ordered from Flash Select. So let's open this. I've ordered this on cash on delivery at the price of 1199 rupees. So let's open this. Now, doing any further delay, we are going to unbox this. So this is our invoice of this in our from Watches Bazaar. My dear friends, here's our box of Titan watch, and it's our Titan watch packet, and we are going to unbox this. Hopefully, I'm praying that I may get a good watch at the price of this. Let's open this. How's it? So here we are going to unbox the Titan watch. Here we are having inside one warranty card. So it's a proof that it's the original watch. And let's open this watch. Actually, I've ordered this watch for my mother. So it's a lady's watch. Actually, so we are going to check the quality. How is it? So watch is in running condition, and it's having a very cute, beautiful dial, and behind it's also has been mentioned it's Titan Raga, and yes, and on the emblem is also mentioned that it's Titan Raga. So in the market, the price for this watch is rupees, but only in the Flash Select website you just get this watch on the price of 1199 rupees. So it's a Titan Raga. And now we are going to thought, well, actually I was worrying about, because I was not heard about the Flash Select website and how it is. but after receiving a good product, I'm now going to review that it's a genuine website and you can go for it. And always go for a cash on delivery. So thank you so much, guys, and that's all for you in our this video. And if you like my videos, so please do like, comment and share. And this watch I have ordered for my mom, and today I'm going to gift her. Thanks, guys.
ఎట్టాగయ్యా శివ శివ నీవన్నీ వింత ఆటలే పుట్టుక చావు నడుమలో మావన్నీ ఎదురు ఈతలే దయ చూడు శివ శివ లీలా శివ శివ బోళా